I am Rita Abisola Ojo, a graduate of Bowen University.
My name is Adeniran Adeyemo, an anatomy student of Bowen University.
My name is Abulu Rosanoje Justina. I am a student of Bowen University in the engineering department.
Tech diversity in Nigeria has been a very impactful program for me because I was able to learn how to code, how to design websites, and how to use these things to form a platform that can solve societal issues. It has been very amazing.
Tech diversity has really renewed, reconstructed, and changed me in an unexpected way.
Tech diversity has transformed me a lot because with this opportunity I've been able to learn a lot of things concerning HTML and CSS, things that I didn't think of learning at the beginning of this year. And with my new learned skills, I can now do a lot of things concerning web development.
So I was able to explore new grounds. I was able to try out my ability on how to code and how to design web pages. So it's really, really lovely.
I am astonished with the way and how they did it because I never knew anything on coding until I came across them. We were taught with love and passion. I'm really grateful for that.
And now I want to say a very big thank you to InstinctHub and Sterling Bank because without them, this opportunity wouldn't have been possible. A very big thank you and God bless.
And I also want to say a very big thank you to our sponsors, Sterling Bank and InstinctHub, for all the efforts that they put in to make sure we came this far. Thank you very much.
I want to say thank you to Sterling Bank for providing this opportunity because it was really amazing. I'm glad I was able to join in so fast and as soon as I could. Thank you, Sterling Bank. God bless you. And I want to say thank you to InstinctHub. Thank you for providing the resources and painstakingly taking us through the processes that we needed to go through to learn how to code and how to design web pages and how to do all these things. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful for this program. God bless you.